Hello Tron TRX crypto holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the future. You know what, today is the 1st July, so in the July month the price of the TRX pump or dump. In this video I'm going to show you on the basis of technical analysis, so please my friends, please first of all, before starting this video, click the subscribe button and also like this video for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now my friends, in this time, first of all, if we talk about the price of the TRX now, so the current price of the Tron TRX is very low. You can see here that 0.064635 USD dollar is the current price of the TRX, and furthermore you can see that the changes over in the TRX is also negative. Last 1 hour, last 1 day change over in the TRX is negative, and last 1 week change over in the TRX is positive. Only the last 1 week change is positive, and except of the last 1 week, the latest change over in the TRX is negative. So this means that in the beginning of the July, the price of the TRX is still negative, my friends. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my goodness, you can see a very badly fall down. I think you can see from the 6th May, the TRX price is completely fast down, and still the price of TRX is going down, my friends. There is not possibilities to a price bump, my friends. And you know what, my friends, my prediction about TRX is that after some passage of time, after 1-2 days falls, the price will explode. After 1-2 days falls, the price will explode. That is my personal prediction about the TRX, my friends. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for updates and news videos, my friends.